يا أيها الذين آمنوا اذكروا نعمة الله عليكم إذ هم قوم أن يبسطوا إليكم أيديهم فكف أيديهم عنكم واتقوا الله وعلى الله فليتوكل المؤمنون.
Believers, remember Allah's favor upon you when a certain people decided to stretch their hands against you. He restrained their hands from you. Do fear Allah. Men of faith should put their trust only in Allah.
ولقد أخذ الله ميثاق بني إسرائيل وبعثنا منهم 12 نقيبا وقال الله إني معكم لئن أقمتم الصلاة وآتيتم الزكاة وآمنتم برسلي وعزرتموهم وأقرضتم الله قرضا حسنا لأكفرن عنكم سيئاتكم ولأدخلنكم جنات تجري من تحتها الأنهار فمن كفر بعد ذلك منكم فقد ضل سواء السبيل.
Surely Allah took a covenant with the children of Israel, and we raised up from them 12 of their leaders. And Allah said, Behold, I am with you. If you establish prayer and pay zakah and believe in my prophets and help them and lend Allah a goodly loan, I will certainly efface from you your evil deeds and will surely cause you to enter the gardens beneath which rivers flow. Whosoever of you disbelieves thereafter has indeed gone astray from the right way.
فبما نقضهم ميثاقهم لعناهم وجعلنا قلوبهم قاسية يحرفون الكلم عن مواضعه ونسوا حظا مما ذكروا به ولا تزال تطلع على خائنة منهم إلا قليلا منهم فاعف عنهم واصفح إن الله يحب المحسنين.
Then for the breach of the covenant we cast them away from our mercy and caused their hearts to harden. And now they are in such a state that they pervert words from their context and distort their meaning, and have forgotten a good portion of the teaching they were imparted. And regarding all except a few of them, you continue to learn that they committed acts of treachery. Pardon them then, and overlook their deeds. Surely Allah loves those who act benevolently.
ومن الذين قالوا إنا نصارى أخذنا ميثاقهم فنسوا حظا مما ذكروا به فأغرينا بينهم العداوة والبغضاء إلى يوم القيامة وسوف ينبئهم الله بما كانوا يصنعون.
We also took a covenant from those who said, We are Christians, Nasara. But they forgot a good portion of the teaching they had been imparted. Wherefore we aroused enmity and spite between them till the day of resurrection. And ultimately Allah will tell them what they used to do.
يا أهل الكتاب قد جاءكم رسولنا يبين لكم كثيرا مما كنتم تخفون من الكتاب ويعفو عن كثير قد جاءكم من الله نور وكتاب مبين.
People of the book, Now our messenger has come to you. He makes clear to you a good many things of the book, which you were wont to conceal, and also passes over many things. There has now come to you a light from Allah, and a clear book.